I want to show you what we got here. Other stuff online that I want us to unbox. This is Microsoft 365. One person, 12 months subscription for PC, Mac and mobile. Premium app with latest update, 1 TB, cloud storage, advanced security to store my work online. So I want to show you how to install this to your PC. To set this up, you need to type Microsoft 365 setup. So when you type Microsoft 365 setup.office.com, setup office or Microsoft 365, then you select on it, get started with Microsoft products. If you see get started, how to redeem your product, sign in with your Microsoft account. Your Microsoft account will be associated with your product key, or redeem your product key. The product key will be linked to your account. Download your app. Let's get started. Then you type the product key here. The product key will be added to your account, and also you will add your product key to your email address. If it's different person, then you change the email address, then you select next. So what I'm going to do now is to type the product key. I have the information here. Now once you type the product key, then you select next. Sorry, we didn't recognize the product key you enter. Please check. So we need to check this and make sure the information we type is correct. So there was an error, so select next. Here we go. Redeem your product key. 365 personal. Country, you put your country. I would like information and off of Microsoft. So you select this, then select redeem. You are about to switch. If you have the Microsoft before, it will tell you. So you are about to switching from Microsoft 365 Basic to Microsoft 365 Personal. The product key entered is for Microsoft 365 Personal. If you continue, your subscription will be switched to Microsoft 365 Personal. Any remaining time on your current Microsoft 365 Basic subscription will be prorated towards your new Microsoft 365 subscription and may result in less time being added than you currently have remaining. Changes are final and non-refundable. Your new expiring date will be, so it will tell you the new expiring date. You select next. Getting things ready. Take Microsoft 360 on the go with app. You select continue. Complete key steps on day one, so your Microsoft app are ready to use. So the next is for you to install desktop app. Open, select allow. Now it's closing the app. We are getting things ready. Please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office download. We will be done in just a moment. So with this, you can see this is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, email address, OneNote with premium features. So these are the stuff it's going to install to this computer. Then we are ready to go. You can see it's progressing. Installation is finished. You are all set. Microsoft 365 apps are installed on your computer. So you close this. Microsoft 365 is installed. You can now go online or shut down. So this is exactly how this works. Thank you.